Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best Dutch oven for baking bread. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Staub cast iron 5.5 quart round Cocotte. This modern style Dutch oven stands out for the value for money its features give. Its 5.5 quart size means its contents serve 4 to 6 people. It is versatile since you can use it for soups, breads, braises, and stews. It comes with a metal knob that will not melt when baking. The oven can withstand a maximum of 900 degrees Fahrenheit and its lid 500 degrees. The ability to withstand high temperatures is crucial for bread baking. Its enamel coating protects the oven from cracking and chipping, enhancing its durability. The tight-fitted spiked lid retains moisture to help enhance bread flavors. Its dark interior makes it easy to clean, which is essential considering the oven is subjected to high heat when baking. Not to mention, you can get it in many different colors. Not many ovens offer all these features at once, making this Dutch oven the best in value for money. Lodge Combo Cooker Cast Iron. If you value safety and versatility in the kitchen, then this oven is your best choice. The first thing you would notice about this oven is that it comprises what appears to be 2 pans. One skillet is deep and the other is shallow. Together, they both create a pot. When baking, you can use the shallow skillet as the bottom and the dome-shaped deep skillet as the lid. One advantage this offers is that you can safely transfer the dough to the shallow skillet without risking burning yourself. The narrowness of the smaller pan's margins reduces this risk further. Not to mention, having 2 pans adds to the oven's versatility in preparing plenty of dishes besides bread. Emile Henry Bread Pot Potato Pot. Unlike the other ovens we have covered so far, this one is made of clay, not iron. For this reason, bakers seeking portable ovens should consider the Emile Henry Bread Pot. The oven is lighter than those made of cast iron, meaning it is more portable. It also stands out for its flexibility in use. The clay has a highly resistant glaze coating that enables the oven to handle sudden changes in temperature. With that, you could use it on a stovetop, an oven, or even a barbecue grill without compromising the quality of your bread. The glaze also allows you to use minimal fat. Anyone who values healthy dietary habits would value this feature. Hence, the oven's ability to create delicious bread with the added advantages of portability, flexibility in use, and healthy considerations earns it a place in this list. Which is the best? Staub cast iron 5.5 quart round Cocotte is the best for baking bread because its materials make it oven safe. That is important because bread requires very high temperatures to bake. Also, the oven has a durable design and unique features that guarantee high quality dishes. Thanks for watching.